Hi, it's Mercedes, and I'm going to show you how to use the website Quizlet. Your teacher might send you a Quizlet that they've made, but you can also go on the Quizlet site to have a little look at what you can use to help you with your English. So we're going to type in Quizlet.com. You'll see it already comes up. And I'm already logged on to this machine. So these are my Quizlets, but you can have a little look. Let's click on adjectives. So here we've got flashcards. Down this side, on the left side, these are all the things that you can do. Okay, the first one is flashcards, and you can see it's got the word strong. And if we click on it, it's got an image to show you what the word means. There are 41 of these flashcards, so we're going to click on the next one. Weak, and that shows you what that looks like. Tall. So you can go through all of the flashcards learning what all the pictures and all the words mean. Once you're quite happy with this and you know what you're doing, then you can click on the next one down. So flashcards was the first one, then we've got learn. Click on learn, and here it's got a picture, and down below we can pick on the correct one. Is it wet, fat, near, or new? Well, I think he looks pretty wet, so I'm going to click on that, and it tells me that I'm correct. And another picture comes up. And here we've got a picture of what we call a snail. Is it dark, short, slow, or low? And we can press slow. And it will carry on like that until you've finished all of the different adjectives, and it will give you a score. And then you can play again if you want. But we're going to go back and have a look at all the different activities we can do. So that was flashcards and learn. Then there's write, and this is to help you practice your writing. So we look at the picture. What do we think here? Maybe sad. So we type in sad, and we click on the over here answer, and we are correct. Press any key to continue, and another one. What do we think of this car? Now it might be new, or it might be fast, or it might be expensive. So we're not very sure. Let's type in new. I might be right, I might be wrong. And the right answer. Press any key to continue. So that we just carry on with like that, and that's helping us with our typing and helping us with our spelling. So we're going to go back. So that was flashcards, learn, write, spell. So we're going to click on spell. And this time you're going to click on what you hear.
Fast.
Let's hear it again.
Fast.
And we click on fast. And then we can press correct.
Curly.
We hear it again.
Curly.
Curly. And we click on curly. Okay. So that's flashcards, learn, write, spell, and then we can click on test. And that gives us all the different pictures, and we've got to type the answers. Okay, and then that's the first exercise. And then there's another exercise where we're matching. And then there's a multiple choice exercise where we've got to pick the right word. Then there's a true or false one. And we can have some fun learning in this way. Okay, so you would type the answer, fat, curly. Here you would match the picture, ugly. Well, I think this little creature over here looks ugly. Type in B. Multiple choice, this looks quite dark. True or false? Beautiful? True or false? I think probably false. Okay. And then we would check our answers at the bottom here, and it would tell us what our score is. Now we're going to go back. So we've done our flashcards. We've looked at learn, write, spell, test. Then we've got match. And you'll see here it says start. And we've done this in class. You've got ugly and you pull the word over to click on it. You've got high. Maybe it's this one. High. Beautiful. Maybe it's this one. Beautiful. And once you're done, we've got near, heavy, bright, near. You can play it again. I'm going to go back. And then we've got gravity, and that's the last activity you can do with this. Get started. And you can pick the levels you want, easy, medium or hard. Let's go for medium. And what you have to do here is you've got to type as fast as you can the picture that's coming down. So we can see the man coming down. Well, he looks angry. So I'm going to type in angry. Okay. And then another picture's going to come down. Oh, can we remember what he was? I think he was strong. And then another picture will come down. We're looking at what's happened here. And what do we think? Slim or thin? So let's try thin. Good. And you get the idea. So this is a bit of fun, and it's about typing and spelling as fast as you can. And that's how to use Quizlet. Now, there are lots of things that you can look at. Your teacher might send you something, but you can also look at Quizlet on your own and find other things that you might want to learn. Have fun.